Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Android font style. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the setting app on your Android device. Now select display or display and sound depending on your device. I'm going to search here display. And here you can see display option. Scroll down and here you can see font. Now select your desired font from the list of the available fonts. If you don't see the font you want, you can download additional fonts from the Google Play Store or the other source. And once you have selected your font, device will apply it immediately. Also guys, the steps to change the font style may vary depending on your device model and the Android version. Some devices may not have built-in options to change the font, but you can use third-party launchers or root access to customize the look of your device. Additionally, you can change the font style for the individual app by using custom fonts or the styles in your phone app code. However, this requires programming knowledge and this is recommended for the casual users. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.